Hello boys and girls. So remember the sound for this week is T. Well done. So let's have a little practice at saying it together. So remember, it's a bouncy sound, it's a short sound. T, 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 t. We'll do my turn, your turn. Ready? My turn. T, t, t. Your turn. Fantastic. We'll do it one more time. Oh, I can hear you making that sound beautifully. So, we've got a box full of things that start with the T sound. Let's sing and find out what's in the box. Are you ready? What's in the box? What's in the box? E-I-I-D-O, what's in the box? Oh, I've got a tower. Just like the tower in the picture to help us remember the letter sound. I'll put that there. So, tower. What's in the box? What's in the box? E-I-I-D-O, what's in the box? Ooh. Tree. Have you got any trees in your garden? Or maybe you see some trees in the park. Will you stand up there? Oh, perfect. What's in the box? What's in the box? E-I-I-D-O, what's in the box? Oh, what's this, boys and girls? A track. It's a train track. Last one. Ooh, have a listen. What could it be? Let's find out. What's in the box? What's in the box? E-I-I-D-O, what's in the box? It's a train. Did you guess it? Well done. The train goes on the track. Choo, 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 choo. The train is on the track. T, t, t. Can you say it with me? The train is on the track. T, 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 t. Ready? Let's pop them back in the box. The train and the track. The tree and the tower. Now tomorrow we're going to practice writing the letter. I'll see you then. Bye.